How's it going, everyone? So, Unigine Heaven benchmark. Been around for a long time now. I mean, a very long time. Since 2009, October 22nd, Unigine Heaven benchmark was released. It was released in a presentation for Windows, and it was also shipped off for some graphics cards. Graphics card manufacturer like Zotac actually shipped off with their GPU the download for Unigine Heaven benchmark. Some of the GPUs that there is like the GTX Titan was actually shipped off with this benchmark in place. Absolutely insane, the things that we used to get. Again, this was back in 2009, October 22nd, when this was released, and it has been used for all content creators and benchmarkers alike, including myself. But I think it's time for a new benchmark. So let's get right into it. So, just a little recap before we say goodbye to Unigine Heaven benchmark. Here is a little bit of it benchmarking. Stunning, stunning. Okay, so let's go into 3D Mark now. So 3D Mark, there you go. You see in the top left corner there, we're in 3D Mark. We'll go over Speedway another time. We're going to look at SteelNomad, which is a newer benchmark for gaming PCs. And not just light end, for high end PCs as well. So we can enable the sound, disable it if we don't want to listen to it. We can scroll down, see rendering device, display, and rendering API or application interface. Just a set of rules for how this actually talks to your operating system. It's like a bridge between them. You got DX12 and Vulkan. Vulkan is different than DX12. Vulkan is an open source for all kind of operating systems, and DX12 is basically just for Windows. So we're going to use DX12 since I am on Windows 11. Does take a second for it to collect system information. It's pretty simple there. Again, it's a really good test. I do like this one a lot. It's really, really powerful for your really high-end PCs. You're still not going to see, thousands of frames like you kind of would on Eugene Heaven benchmark. This is for gaming PCs to see how good it is. As you can see here, frames are quite low, but the detail and it just looks absolutely amazing. I do like the way this actually looks. I think this looks absolutely amazing. They did a good job. This is a really new benchmark on 3D Mark, and it's completely free. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to try out your PC. I think it's pretty cool, pretty future realistic in my opinion. Completely different from Unigine benchmark. It's completely different. Leave me a comment in the section below what you think about this. Would you use this to benchmark your PCs? Again, this is for overclockers and that on hardwarebot.org. If you use hardwarebot.org, this is one of the benchmarks that is in place to get some points. And it's done. So we got 3,342 points. Graphics test is 33.43 frames per second. And it also gives you your score, the average score, and also the best score for your PC hardware. You can go through Battlefield, Apex Legends, GTA 5, and Fortnite. Redemption 2, if you play that, it'll tell you all the frames you're roughly to see on 1440p and 1080p. Again, it's quite nice. I do like this benchmark a lot. And doing it through 3D Mark like this, benchmarking it, you can get all the information like frame rate, CPU and GPU temperature, GPU load and CPU load while it's running, and also CPU clock, GPU clock, and GPU memory clock speed as well. So it'll let you know if how your GPU and CPU is working as temperature rises. And if you want to just scroll down, you can also see a little bit more about information on that. That's it. That's it for this video. I hope you do enjoy this here. It's completely new. Again, it's going to be in the link below. So if you'd like to try this out, completely free on Steam. Um, Yeah, amazing. I do love this. I think this one should be in place, and not be using a Unigine Heaven benchmark anymore. Again, that is from 2009, so it is quite old, quite old. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Notification bell on, and gonna be coming out with some new CPU leaks here soon. Also about the partnership with Intel, AMD, Nvidia, and Broadcom are working on maybe partnering up for Intel's 18A and 18AP or 1.8 nanometer transistor. So definitely look forward to that. Again, thank you all for watching. Thank you to all my viewers, subscribers, and donators. You guys are helping out this channel greatly. Again, that's it for this one. And as always, don't forget to get her done.